My case study project is Sagrada Familia in Barcelona, Spain. This building began construction in 1882 and was under the leadership of Antoni Gaudi, who began working on the building when he was 31 years old, and he spent 43 years of his career working on this project. The exterior of Sagrada Familia is made out of a local sandstone that is rare and unique to the project, and then also reinforced concrete is used on the pinnacles and other areas of the building that have been constructed more recently using modern technology. The building itself was created in the Gothic style and was made unique by Antoni Gaudi, and the structure forms a Latin cross when viewing the building overhead. There are 3 monumental facades as a part of the building, 18 towers. An important fact to also know is that the tallest tower is lower than a nearby mountain in Barcelona. This was done because Gaudi was convinced that man's work should not supersede God's work. The design and engineering aspects of Sagrada Familia are very impressive and important for several reasons. First of all, most of the building was designed and engineered by Antoni Gaudi himself throughout his career. He had 2 primary methods for modeling the building. First of all, he made an extensive amount of handmade plaster models to represent floor plans, structural plans, and also models of certain components. Gaudi also developed a way of modeling the structure using weights suspended on a string upside down. This would give him scaled dimensions for certain components such as arches, openings, and also heights of certain components. Today, because the project is still under construction, most of the designing and engineering is done using computer-aided software and also more modern ways of modeling such as 3D printing. The interior of Sagrada Familia is very impressive and also very important to the overall design of the building. Every aspect of the interior has been done in a way that adds to the overall experience of visiting Sagrada Familia. The large stone columns throughout the building are made of 4 different types of solid stone and provide a variety of colors and textures. Also, these columns are designed in such a way that they resemble tree trunks and further reflect Gaudi's respect for nature and his desire to feature natural elements in the building. The stained glass throughout the building also has required a great deal of planning and skill to install it. The glass has a wide variety of themes and messages, and also allows a great deal of natural light to flood into the space with a variety of colors. The ceilings in Sagrada Familia consist of Catalan vaults and thin masonry systems that use a quick setting mortar and allow for the wide variety of ceiling design. In conclusion, it's important to consider the significance and impact of Sagrada Familia. From a construction standpoint, the materials and methods used over the life of the project have been wide-ranging. The methods and materials used have gone from very simple to very complex, and also very primitive to very modern. And because the building has been under construction since 1882, a great deal of knowledge exchange has been required to keep the overall goals of the building the same. And it's important to realize too that the inspiration of Antoni Gaudi is still very much alive in the project today. That is, the importance of the Christian message and also the importance of nature as reflected in the construction of this project. Also, there is no other building in the world like Sagrada Familia, and it is a marvel of engineering, design, and construction, even by today's standards. And that is why it is the most visited site in Barcelona, drawing over 3 million visitors a year. This project is incredibly important and also has a great deal for us to learn as it relates to construction.